The second point which I want us to look at is the square root sign. First, we have learned about what square root means. Now, we have a square root sign which I want us to look at. This is the square root sign. This is the square root sign which is used. So, this is a square root sign. We are going to have a look on how to use this sign. Now, I want you to understand something. We have a square root sign and we have a division sign. Many students will confuse the two. So this one is a division, it is a division sign. But when you look at the two signs, you can note there is a difference. The square root sign has a tail, but the division sign do not have a tail. So we can write this one, it has a tail. The division sign has no tail. So that is the difference. Many students will confuse the two, but you can note that there is a difference between the two. Now, we look at how do you use this sign. Example. You are told to find the square root of 4. So you are supposed to find the square root of 4. 4 is the square number. Now, first you write the sign down like that, and then you put the number inside the sign. So 4 will come inside the sign, and we have said that the square root of 4 is 2. So that is how you use the sign. Another example. What is the square root of maybe 5? Square root of 25. You put or you write the square root sign and then you write 25 inside the sign. And we know that the square root of 25 we have seen it's 5. Another example, the square root of 16. So you put or you write the symbol like that, and then you write 16 inside the symbol or inside the sign. The square root of 16, we know it is 4, because 4 multiplied by itself will give you 16. The final example, the square root of 9. So we write the sign and then we write 9 inside the symbol, and we know that the square root of 9 is 3, because 3 multiplied by itself will give you 9. So this part of the lesson, I want you to understand about the square root sign and how it is used. And I want you also to differentiate between the square root sign and the division sign.